In mid-May, the monsoon begins to take shape above the Indian Ocean, heralding months of rain. During monsoon season, a day without short but ferocious downpours is rare. This region experiences approximately 120 inches of rainfall every year. On average, the US is subjected to around just 30 inches of precipitation annually, and this includes snow. The skies may seem dark and foreboding, but tropical rains are pleasantly warm. Temperatures here rarely drop below 80 or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. For months, the Nicobar Islands enjoy just 4 hours of sunshine a day in total. Barely enough to dry off before the next rain arrives. The leaves of the trees offer scant protection, and there is little the macaques can do but wait for a brief break in the clouds. When the rain does eventually stop, the forest becomes a steam bath. It is this humidity which makes the Nicobar Islands such a vibrant cradle of life.